Casual Dining with Danny. I'm Danny. These are my ingredients. Ground pork, spaghetti, buns, graham crackers, raisins, eggs. That's what we're gonna use today. Today, we're gonna make the honey bun burger. One of my specialties. I like it a lot. I hope you do too. Things first, I'm gonna make the beef and pork patty. So let me go get a bowl first, okay? Got my bowl. Let me put this in there. I'm gonna grab our raisins. Be sure not to cut yourself with these raisins, they're very sharp. You mix it up. This burger is going to be very savory, so what you want to do is you want to mix the sweet with the savory because that's going to give a better umami, you know? Next thing we need is salt. I'm going to quickly wash my hands real quick. Morton sea salt is actually kosher salt. My mom used to use this. Just a pinch. And now our burger's ready, see? See how it's all combined and how there's like little chunks of raisins in it? Now let's go test if our pan's hot. We take a little bit like this. Take a little of the raisin, and we see. It's not ready. I'm impatient, so I'm just gonna put it down. It's pretty ready. Now I'll use the eggs. We'll take one egg. I missed the spot. See, now I don't want to burn myself, so I'm going to use a spatula. In the meantime, let's get some pasta ready, okay? You want to wash it so it's clean, so it doesn't stink. A lot of the starches get on this, so you don't want it to be starchy when you're done. See all this white stuff? You don't want any of that in your pasta. Our burger's burning, yeah? Let's put some oil in. Look, our burger is almost done. See how it's almost not combined? A lot of burger places like to combine their burger so it's one whole patty, but not me. That's a sin. Our pasta is almost done. See how it's still stiff? But you can still hear a crack? Almost done. Okay. Now we have to combine our burgers with our noodles. That's some hot shit.
Mmm.
Alright, now we gotta let this drain. We have our burgers in here, we have our egg in there, we have all of our raisins in there too. I think it needs a little bit more raisins. A little bit more. I think that's enough. Let's let it drain now. I mean, I'm excited. Let's get this on a patty. You know, so we got a lot of sweet in that with the raisins, but I like desserts. I got a sweet tooth, so we're gonna use honey buns today for the little buns. I think it's gonna be great. I'm excited to eat this. Okay, one goes face side down, one goes face side up. And then we're gonna get some cheese. Okay, now we gotta get the burger. Now, a lot of people like to use gloves when they do this, but I think it adds more texture and more feeling. You know, I think it's more fun when you put your hands in things. It makes it more of a family fun project. So, put this on the cheese, on the bun. And now we get some of these new Sweet Heat Skittles. You know, I think I'm just gonna take the watermelon ones. I think that's it. Actually, no, we're missing one thing. You can't go without graham crackers in your burger. Like, honestly, if you go to the South and you have a burger that doesn't have a graham cracker in it, did you ever really have a burger? Some people like chips in their sandwich, but I just think they're too much of a mess. I like noodles in mine because they're just as crunchy, just as filling, and there's less of a mess. Time to take a bite. Oh, that's so well. I can't wait how that one. You know, they always say a picture's worth 1,000 words. I think a bite's worth 1,000,000 words. I give this burger 8 Instapots out of 13. Alright, folks. You've been dining with me. I've been Danny. This has been Dining with Danny. Have a great day.